So hi there, I'm back. I'm back for Canva updates today. Well, today is about videos. Hi, my name is Veiah, and together we'll explore Canva so you can create your video and using Canva for free. Well, the paid one is also good because you have more choices, and I love Canva. I want to share with you about videos. This is a new update. Canva just launched, and I can't wait to share with you because this is just exciting. So when I click, as you can see, the new screen of Canva has changed, and now you have this option of whiteboards, presentations, social media, which is we all love, and now the videos. So here on videos, I click on it and this is what I see. Easy to assemble videos. And you can check this out. Let's check this out. I want to see what it is. So let's see what happens. So this is the video that I just click and there's nothing in it. However, you have a selection here on the very left side of your screen. You can select all these videos to use. Some may not be free, but some are free. Let's try this one. What color do you like? I like blue. I like yellow. Let's try. It has to be a girl, a woman. I am a woman, so I'm going to use this one. Let's try that. So video, this has 6 videos. And this is the first one. Oh, this is for a friend, to Elise, my greatest friend forever. So, and then, how do you play this? There it is. Nice. And then you want to add more. And that's when you click the plus sign. And then you want to add this. So now if you play it, this is what happens. Oh, there's the video. So if you play it all together, it goes on and on. Doesn't that look amazing? Yeah, so now I can add again one more since there's 8 here. And you can change the video. So now you can change this video with your own video by deleting it and adding a video that you have. And everything stays the same except for the video. So you can add on and on all this and create your own video. How cool is that? So, well, this is for the video. Now, if we go back to home and go to video, these are the biggest announcements from Canva Create 2022. There's more. There's docs, there's websites, whiteboards, videos, print products, presentations, and there's more. So this is the video. I will go back to the video alone. So video setting has never been easier. Yes, and you can play with video. So you can upload your own content, your own video, and explore free videos or explore, like the one we showed you, and animation, and then one-click video background remover. Wow, you can actually have that. So, like, there's some templates here for videos, for Facebook videos, video messages, even for mobile. Wow. And YouTube videos. So here are, like, I will try to find one here for my tutorial. Let me see. So here are my options. Amazing. Wow. I am excited now. I will find one from here and tweak it, and let's see, YouTube tutorial. Let's see. And if you need to find something, you can go here. There's a search bar, and let's try it. Let's try it um if they have some video tutorials video. Let's try that. YouTube thumbnail. There you go. So this is a thumbnail. Now I'm looking for a video. So I'm going to find a video. Go back. Video. I will find that tutorial video. Video tutorial video. Oh, okay. Let's see what we have. So here's some videos to use. And some of them, like this, is a paid one. Let's find some that don't have a dollar sign. So, tutorial. Cooking. Will I be cooking? Well, I'm cooking YouTube. Okay, let's find out one that looks good for a tutorial. This might be good. This looks good. Okay. Blue, modern. There you go. Business tip. And just change. No, this is not a video. So there's no video here. This is an image. So I want to find a video. Let's go back there. It says video. How come it's not giving me a video? Oh, okay. It's a short one. There. This is the part that's video. It's moving. Okay. This would be good. So I will change this to social media with Canva. Let's add videos. Yeah, so I'm gonna make this a little bigger. I have to do this. Make it a little bigger. So now I have a thumbnail for this tutorial, and It's a video. So that's it. You just download it. And then when you upload a tutorial on YouTube, then you can use this one. And there's all kinds of selection you can use. That's it for today about Canva videos that you can use for free. And good luck to you. If you like this video tutorial, give us a like and subscribe for more updates with Canva, website, coaching, mindset, everything in it. Bye for now.